Tonight at 6, a showdown in the courtroom between the county attorney's office and the district attorney. At the center of the disagreement, the question of how to proceed in the case against a man accused of trying to escape from law enforcement by jumping in the water near the Oso Bay turnaround. Tonight, our Michael Gibson shows us why the two aren't seeing eye to eye.
The district attorney's office squared off against the county attorney's office before 105th District Judge Jack Pulcher. At issue were 3 internal affairs investigations done by the sheriff's office. The DA wants those as part of its case involving Jacob Judd and perhaps others. The county attorney's office says the DA shouldn't get the records.
The sheriff's office is not trying to hide any information from the prosecution. That the records in question have Garity protection.
And it's not always easy to have to stand up sometimes to a law enforcement agency to ask for all the information.
Back in January, Judd was accused of pulling a gun on sheriff's deputies, who then fired at the man. The suspect then supposedly led them on a chase before surrendering. Recently, all of the cases against him were disposed by the DA's office.
That man should have still be in jail and should go to prison for his violations.
Prosecutors want to refile the charges and say they may have a case against others involved. But to be able to look at all of their options, prosecutors say they need the sheriff's office to turn over its internal affairs investigations into the 3 deputies who were part of the incident.
Obviously, it extends beyond just Jacob Judd. There are other matters that are being investigated, and in good conscience, we can't really comment on that at this time.
From what we can see, there was no criminal activity by our deputies. Simple as that.
Once the hearing wrapped up, District Judge Jack Pulcher said that he hopes to have a decision by next Friday on whether or not that internal affairs investigation information has to be turned over to the district attorney's office. Michael Gibson, 3 News.
All right, thanks for that, Michael. New tonight, driver